Hello, anywhere you are watching from all over the world, you are welcome to my channel. Welcome to the Stellar platform. Welcome to the Stellar affiliate platform. So today we are talking on soap making. So we have this course here, soap making master course for beginners, cold process soap making. So we have only one review for the course. As you can see, the author of the book is Juliana Lamise Asinga. So we click to check the book, soap making master course for beginner, cold process soap making. This course is designed for people looking to learn how to make soap or people who already have. So it's only one review. The author of the book is Juliana Lamise Asinga. Review to check the review. As you can see, it's have only one video preview, but we will come back to check the video. Let's check the rise up. So now we check. From here we have soap making master course for beginners, cold process soap making. The author of the book, Juliana Lamise Asinga. So we begin. This course is designed for people looking to learn how to make soap or people who already have an idea of how to make cold processed soap and want to take their skills to an advanced level. We have over 24 videos in this course that will take you from a novice to an advanced soap maker in the shortest period possible time. We give you the knowledge, skills, and the skills to not only know how to make soap, but how to make commercially appealing soap for your target markets. In this course, we will take you through how to make basic soap to advanced soap. You will learn the basic in soap making. You will learn how oil influence your soap, the fatty acid provides of oil, and how to put oil together to get your desired soap for your target market. You learn how to substitute oil in recipes. You learn how to formulate. You learn how to formulate your own soap recipe. You will learn what kind of soap to make for which skin type, which climate type, etc. You will learn how to formulate 5 different soap in this course. You will learn how to regulate temperature in your soap without using a thermometer. You will learn how to add fragrance or essential oil to your soap. You will learn how to use a soap calculator. You will learn how to use the essential oil calculator. You will learn how to add natural plants powders to your soaps. You will learn how to make shea cocoa soap. You will learn how to make turmeric and neem soap. You will learn how to make maintenance clean soap. You will learn how to make activated charcoal soap. You will learn how and why you should cure your soap. You will learn how to choose your soap when you encounter a challenge with your scents. You will have our ebook with 10 amazing soap recipes for free. These are many more are the benefits and the reason why this course is very necessary for you. So we have the price here, 1,790 in Nigerian naira. So the course contains module 1, we have the introduction, module 1 basic safety precautions, module 1-2 soap making containers and vessels, module 1-3 soap making mode, module 1-4 soap making equipment, cost downloadable materials, module 2 we have how to use a soap calculator, how to make in-air water, how to effectively mix your butters. Assignment 1 we have module 3 how to make coconut oil soap, how to make shea butter soap. Difference between these two soaps and oil. Fatty acid profiles of oils, cost downloadable. So we have module 4 things to consider before you begin making soap. How to make shea cocoa soap part 1, how to make shea cocoa soap part 2, cost downloadables. So we have module 5 how to come up with your own soap recipe, how to substitute oil in any soap recipe. Module 6 we have how to make turmeric and neem soap part 1, how to make turmeric and neem soap part 2, how to make turmeric and neem soap part 3, how to make turmeric and neem soap part 4. So we have the same module going here, maintenance clean and activated charcoal soap part 1, maintenance clean and activated charcoal soap part 2, maintenance clean and activated charcoal soap part 3. So course download. So module 7 why you should cure your soap, how to calculate essential oil for your soap, how to salvage your soap when you encounter a bad fungus oil. So free recipe ebook. That's all, and we have one review. Genevieve Sam, this beginner soap making course has been brilliant. I have learned a lot and the materials and the resources are fantastic. I feel Juliana has taken her time to introduce the models and model contest. Also feel the cost has been reasonable priced and definitely value for money. I have really enjoyed this and we definitely recommend. So that's all. So this is the video. Let's check the video review.
Welcome to the Soap Making Master Course. In this course, I give you the knowledge, the tools, and the skills to take your soap making journey to the next level. This is a soap making course for people hoping to become professional soap makers. It is a 7-module course, and in each course, we take you step by step from the basics of cold process soap making all the way to the advanced. We have a total of 24 videos explaining the various stages of soap making. At the end of the day, you will learn how to formulate your own soap recipes. You will learn how to substitute oils. You will learn and understand the fatty acid profiles of each oil and its impact in soap making. You will also learn how to add additives such as turmeric, activated charcoal, and clays and all those good stuff into your soap. We also give you a 10 free recipe ebook where you can formulate your own soaps. If you are a beginner soap maker or an intermediary or someone who has even been making soap for some time, this course is for you. We give you all the tools to excel in cold process soap making. So join us.
So that's all. So that's all for now. So the course is 51,790 in Nigeria naira. So I will drop the link and some other link under the comment section. When you click on the link, it will take you here. Then you make your payments to get the course. So the link will be the first at the top because there are some other link that I will drop alongside the link. So that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.